चलो लास्ट टॉपिक है रिलेटिव मोशन इन वन डायमेंशन. Relative motion in one dimension. So what is meaning of relative motion? Why the topic coming into picture? Relative motion we will see. Suppose three persons, देखो, a car is moving. Okay, one person is at rest. One person is at rest. One person, observer one, is running with some speed. Okay, observer two is running in this direction with some speed. On the video now. Okay, this observer is running in this direction. This observer is running in the left direction and the car is moving in the right direction. Okay. According to this person, the car will appear what speed of slower. According to observer one, the speed of the car will be he feels slower or faster. According to observer one, bolo, car is moving like this. He is running with some speed. According to him, the car will be speeder slower. According to him, the car will be speeder slower. He is also running towards the car. Tell me.
So observer 1 will be slower and then observer 2 will be faster.
Yes, observer 1 को because he is running right, car को थोड़ा speed का आपको थोड़ा कम लगेगा आपको. You will feel that the car is going slower. But according to him, he is running opposite of the car is coming. He feels faster. Okay. That's why to understand this concept, relative motion came into picture. So why same person, same different observer, same car only, but different observer is feeling different things. One is speed, car is going, one is slower, car is going. बोल के आपको लग रहा है ना? That is called relative motion concept. समझ में आने का आपको. Okay. Suppose you tell me you are standing here road में side. I'll give a small example. Try. You are standing on the beside road में. Car is going with 10 meters per second in front of you. So according to you, what is the speed of the car? According to you, what is the speed of the car? You are standing. The car is moving with 10 meters per second. Tell me. According to you, what is the speed of the car? Bolo.
10 meters per second.
10 meters per second. Okay. Now same second case mein. I am running with 5 meters per second. The car is moving with 10 meters per second. Now, according to you, what is the speed of the car? You are running with 5 meters per second. Car is moving with 10 meters per second. According to you, what is the speed of the car? 5 meters per second. Okay. Now, in the समझ में आ रहा है? Why 5 means relative motion concept सीखने का. Okay. So that one उसका formula क्या है वगैरह learn करने वाला है. देखो. मान लो 2 particles are there. Origin से कितना xa distance दूर में, the 2 particles A and B are there. xa distance में 1 particle is there. xb distance में 1 particle is there. Okay. And particle is moving with velocity A and particle B is moving with velocity B. Okay. In that condition में, I want what is the relative displacement of B with respect to A. Okay. Relative displacement of B with respect to A. मतलब who is observer? A is observer. With respect to what? That is observer. Okay. So इसका formula है xb minus xa. This is the formula. Relative displacement of B with respect to A. A के respect में कितना displacement है? B means xb minus xa. Okay. लिखो. And this B with respect to ground we are using. With respect to ground, मतलब observer is on the ground. उसके respect में we have to solve. ये लिखने तो questions can be solved easily with respect to ground. Similarly, relative velocity of B with respect to A.
What is BG?
With respect to ground. This displacement of B with respect to ground. G is for ground. मतलब observer is on the ground. Ground के respect में. Okay. Now tell me velocity of B with respect to A का formula क्या होगा? Velocity of B minus velocity of A, but with respect to ground, with respect to ground. This is a formula, right? Formula. Up first one minus second one. देखो B is the first one, right? B minus second one A. but all are with respect to ground say we are doing here. Okay, now same way acceleration कितना होगा? Acceleration of B with respect to A, फॉर्मूला क्या है? Acceleration of B minus acceleration of A with respect to ground, the formula. खत्म, यही फॉर्मूला है पर रिलेटिव मोशन फाइंड करने के लिए. So with respect to means who, that is the observer. उसके respect में, I told it before, the car is moving with 10 meters per second. I am running with 10 meters per second. With respect to me, the car is moving with 5 meters per second. Okay. Finished? चलो. करो.
Sir, once can you show that? Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो. क्वेश्चन करो. कार A is moving with 20 meters per second इस तरफ जा रहा है. कार B is going 15 meters per second उस तरफ जा रहा है. They are moving in same directions. I want relative velocity of B with respect to A and A with respect to B. And very important, आप जो भी इधर वेक्टर्स लगा रहे ना, जस्ट साइन कन्वेंशन लगाने का. राइट साइड पॉजिटिव, लेफ्ट साइड नेगेटिव. ओके, ऑलवेज यूज करने का. हाँ, टेल मी. आई वांट फर्स्ट वेलोसिटी ऑफ B with respect to A. फॉर्मूला क्या है? वेलोसिटी ऑफ B, सॉरी, वेलोसिटी ऑफ B with respect to ground minus velocity of A with respect to ground. कितना होगा आंसर?
Sir, 20 minus 15.
वेलोसिटी ऑफ B कितना है फर्स्ट?
अच्छा, B
15, right?
ओ
माइनस वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए, सेम डायरेक्शन जा रहे हैं ना उस तरफ, पॉजिटिव, राइट? सो 20, सो इट इज नथिंग बट minus 5 meters per second. So similarly find velocity of A with respect to B.
Sir, 5.
5.
Velocity of A with respect to ground minus velocity of B with respect to ground. So it is 20 minus 15 is 5 meters per second. Okay. देखो इधर एक तरीका है, अंडरस्टैंड करो. एक मेथड इज अंडरस्टैंड. Velocity of B with respect to A means who is the observer? Tell me, who is the observer?
Velocity of B with respect. B is the observer.
No, with respect to A. How to study?
My bad.
Velocity of B with respect to A means A is observer, right? देखो A -5 कैसा है, देखो अंडरस्टैंड करो. शॉर्टकट है, वो भी यूज करो. बड़ा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम्स वी कैन यूज. ओके, हु इज ऑब्जर्वर हियर? A is observer, right? ऑब्जर्वर को स्टॉप करो, ऑब्जर्वर को स्टॉप कर दो. ओके, इसका स्पीड एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में अदर बॉडी का ऊपर अप्लाई करो. समझ में आ रहा है? सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? हु इज ऑब्जर्वर? ए इज ऑब्जर्वर. ए को स्टॉप करो, उसका स्पीड एग्जैक्टली उल्टा लगाओ अदर बॉडी के ऊपर. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द स्पीड? इस तरफ नेगेटिव, इस तरफ पॉजिटिव. सो व्हाट विल बी स्पीड हियर?
Minus
20
plus 15.
प्लस 5. सो -5. मतलब इसका कॉन्सेप्ट समझो. मतलब सपोज यू आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द कार, you feel that car is coming backwards with -5 meters per second. सही लगेगा? देखो, you are going speed 20 meters per second, the car is going 15 meters per second. How you will feel that car is coming backwards? That is the meaning. -5 meters per second means you feel that car is coming backside with -5 meters per second. समझ में आ रहा है? Now same मेजर करो. देखो इसमें कैसा आएगा? Who is observer here? In second case में who is the observer?
B.
velocity of A with
B,
respect to
B.
B. So B is observer. So B को stop करो, B को stop करो, and exactly उसका speed उल्टा लगाओ इस body के ऊपर. Tell me now, what will be the resultant speed?
minus 15 plus 20.
कितना होगा? 5 meters per second. मतलब if the person is standing here, he feels that the car is coming 5 meters per second से उसके तरफ आ रहा है बोल के उसका फीलिंग है. तो ये आपको बाद में नोट बोल के और बोल के लिख के करो, आपको लैंग्वेज में लिखो. हु इज ऑब्जर्वर, उसको स्टॉप करके एग्जैक्टली उल्टा लगाओ उसको अदर बॉडी के ऊपर, देन सम प्रॉब्लम्स विल बी सॉल्व इजीली. नहीं तो ये वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए माइनस वेलोसिटी बी समवेयर कंफ्यूज होगा लिटिल बिट. ओके, ये मेथड भी सीखो. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. चलो ना करो, इजी है, आई करो. I want velocity of B with respect to A and velocity of A with respect to B.
So if we keep the 20 meter per second in the opposite direction, won't it just go that side only?
हाँ, उसका फीलिंग बोल रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला से करो, बाद में उसका वो करेंगे. फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला से कर लो जय.
So you get 35 and minus 35.
This is velocity of B with respect to ground minus velocity of A with respect to ground. Okay, velocity of B with respect to ground कितना है? मतलब ऑब्जर्वर ग्राउंड में है, इसके रेस्पेक्ट में with respect to ground means observer is on standing on the ground, उसके रेस्पेक्ट में that is plus 20 minus A is उल्टा राइट minus, so minus 15, so कितना होगा 35 meters per second. ऐसे सेम वे here minus 35 आएगा. Now shortcut लगाओ, shortcut लगाओ.
So
Who is observer here?
So is it compulsory that if one of the two is positive, the other one will be the same magnitude of negative?
सी आपको ये वाला यूज करने का नहीं, नहीं ऐसा कंपल्सरी नहीं है. देखो राइट साइड में यू टेक एज पॉजिटिव, ग्राफ में नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस में यू टेक एज नेगेटिव, राइट? ऐसे यूज करने वाला ऑलवेज. राइट साइड वाला पॉजिटिव, ये वाला नेगेटिव. ओके, ये समझ में? नो शॉर्टकट भी चेक करो एक बार. वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ए, हु इज ऑब्जर्वर? वेलोसिटी ऑफ बी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ए, हु इज ऑब्जर्वर? हु इज ऑब्जर्वर?
B.
बी क्यों यार? वेलोसिटी
So
ऑफ
A
बी
with respect to B,
विथ
right?
रिस्पेक्ट टू ए.
Oh,
सो
A.
ए इज ऑब्जर्वर. सो ए को स्टॉप करो, ए को स्टॉप करो एंड उसका स्पीड एग्जैक्टली उल्टा लगाओ उसके ऊपर, राइट? सो 15 meters per second. So now according to मतलब when the person is standing here, he feels that car is going with 35 meters per second in this direction. That's why we got 35, right? समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ, no, no करो, नहीं करो. ए रेल रोड फ्लैट कार, मतलब ट्रेन वाला, ए फ्लैट कार है, ए पूरा ट्रेन वाला. ओके, इट इज गोइंग राइट साइड विथ 15 meters per second. 15 meters per second से राइट साइड जा रहा है. ओके, केस ए केस बी. relative to observer sitting on the ground. Someone riding a scooter on a flat car. Okay, scooter flat car के ऊपर राइडिंग कर रहा है. Okay, the velocity of scooter with respect to car is 10 meters per second. So what is the velocity of scooter with respect to car is how much? 10 meters per second. What is the velocity of scooter related to observer on the ground? I want velocity of scooter with respect to ground is how much? In case A, case B. In case A में चाहिए and case B में चाहिए. नो करो, देखते विद हेल्प करो. ए ट्रेन इज नथिंग बट कार मान लो, फ्लैट कार बोलते हैं ना उसको.
Yes, I got the answer.
हाँ.
So for case A, I got once again 10 minus 50 minus 5, and for case B, I got minus 25.
-5 and -20. Case A, how much you got? -5.
Yeah.
Wrong.
Oh. Oh wait, no, what?
देखते हैं, we will do.
Sir,
Hmm.
for case A, is it 25?
Yes, 20?
25.
Yes, correct. देखो
So
मानो
then case B will be,
case we will.
so case B is also 25.
Okay, wrong. देखो, he has given, understand, that's why I told you. Velocity of scooter with respect to car is given. कार के रेस्पेक्ट में he has given, ग्राउंड के रेस्पेक्ट में नहीं दिया. So what is given? Velocity of scooter with respect to car is given as how much? 10 meters per second. Right? This is given. Now he is asking velocity of scooter with respect to ground. मतलब अब अगर मैं बैठ के देख रहा हूँ, मेरे को according to the what speed is going we have to find. Okay? ये वाला speed जो दिया है with respect to car के
Second
रेस्पेक्ट
one
में.
will be 5.
Okay. So formula क्या होगा? Velocity of scooter with respect to car formula क्या है? Tell me. Velocity of scooter with respect to ground minus velocity of car with respect to ground. Now velocity of scooter with respect to ground is 10 is equal to this only we have to find velocity of scooter with respect to ground minus velocity of car with respect to ground is
15.
ground के respect में car का 15. So इधर गया तो
25. अच्छा.
25. Now second one करो same method में
So second one is 5.
5. Yes.
Oh,
Fine.
because oh.
So with respect to ground क्यों लिखवा रहा हूँ? Because observer when the ground के respect में ground का use करो. Whenever with respect to car ऐसा बोलेगा, ऐसा questions में we should be very careful. Use the formula and solve always.
Yeah, sir, but for the second question, it'll be -10 plus -10 minus 15, right?
Velocity of scooter with respect to car is how much? 15 only, right? Right side जा रहे हैं ना?
Yeah.
Is equal to velocity of scooter with respect to ground. Velocity of car with respect to ground is minus of minus plus 10, right?
Wait.
तो मैं minus of minus left side जा रहे हैं ना? ये वाला is going like this.
Sir, I didn't understand.
ये समझ में नहीं आया? देखो.
No, the formula which you wrote.
हाँ
So
देखो.
for this, if you use shortcut only, it's easier. No?
या शॉर्टकट कभी भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट फॉर्मूला में देखो velocity of scooter with respect to ground का with respect to car का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Velocity of scooter with respect to ground minus velocity of car with respect to ground. Okay.
Yeah.
Velocity of scooter with respect to ground is with respect to car is how much?
10.
10. Minus 10 ना plus 10 ना?
Minus.
Velocity of scooter with respect to car.
Minus.
Minus 10, right? Is equal to velocity of ये इसका
I
we
get
have to
it.
find this one minus velocity
minus
of
plus
car.
15. Yeah, understood.
So क्या होगा?
CBSE is 5.
5 minutes. Okay. So आपको समझ में आने का with respect to what is given, that only they will ask. That is only पागल जैसा हो जाएगा. हम लोग इसका with respect to monkey बोलेगा, with respect to इसका वगैरह बोलेगा. So we should always solve like this and we have to go for the questions. Okay. चलो now करो. Simple question करो. I'll give you options. Try. 9, 10 seconds.
Sir, is it the same length
What length?
of 150 meters for the bird?
He has to cross means 150 meters only. It has to cross, right?
This is what?
Question answer बोलो.
Sir, why would the bird be 150 meters?
नहीं नहीं, वो पूछा, उसका
This
आंसर
is
दे दिया, आप ट्राई करो.
the first option is 75 or 7.5.
7 seconds.
Sorry, not 7, yeah.
So ट्रेन है 150 मीटर्स का लेंथ है. इट इज गोइंग टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ. नॉर्थ इस तरफ मान लो. ओके, नॉर्थ. कितना स्पीड में जा रहा है? 10 मीटर्स पर सेकंड से जा रहा है. ओके. नाउ बर्ड फ्लाइंग एट 5 मीटर्स पर सेकंड पैरेलल टू द ट्रैक टुवर्ड्स साउथ. साउथ के डायरेक्शन में वन बर्ड इज ट्रैवलिंग. इज समथिंग बर्ड मान लो. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू ड्रॉ बर्ड, बट नॉर्मली आर जैसे मान लो. ओके. so it is going with how much? 5 meters per second से जा रहा है, ऐसा ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में आ रहा है. द टाइम टेकन बाय द बर्ड टू क्रॉस द ट्रेन. कितना टाइम लगा टू क्रॉस द ट्रेन?
Sir, I got 10.
देखते हैं.
Yeah, sir, I got 10.
10 is answer. So time is asking, right? Time is equal to
Go to the V
distance
later.
by speed, right? स्पीड कौन सा यूज करेगा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हु इज ऑब्जर्वर? किसको मानेंगे ऑब्जर्वर को? पैरेट इज ऑब्जर्वर, राइट? ट्रेन नहीं है ना, उसका अंक नहीं है ना. पैरेट इज ऑब्जर्वर, राइट? सो क्या है? वेलोसिटी ऑफ ट्रेन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पैरेट और बर्ड मान लो इज इक्वल टू क्या है आपको? हाउ टू फाइंड? आई टोल्ड यू हु इज ऑब्जर्वर, राइट? बर्ड इज ऑब्जर्वर. बर्ड को स्टॉप करो एंड एग्जैक्टली उल्टा लगाओ. कितना स्पीड लगेगा बर्ड को? कमिंग विथ व्हाट स्पीड? बर्ड को कितना स्पीड लगेगा? इट विल फील दैट इट इज कम द ट्रेन इज कमिंग विथ 15 meters per second से. ओके, सो दिस इज 15. if you do formula also same answer will getting. Okay, now distance is how much it has to cross? 150 meters upon the speed. Speed कितना? Velocity of train with respect to bird is 15. So it is 10 seconds. Good. 10 seconds answer. दोनों आ रहे हैं. रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी यूज करना पड़ेगा. एक का वेलोसिटी विच नॉट यूज. ओके, नाउ ट्राई करो. ट्राई करो. So two trains are running in opposite direction with velocities this much. So converted into meters per second. Find the time taken by the two trains to completely cross each other. So 36 means 5 by 10, right? 10 meters per second. And similarly it is 18 3 15. 15. Okay. So इसका नाम ट्रेन ए बोलो, ट्रेन बी बोलो. So time taken to cross each other.
So there's no options.
Tell the answer. So we want options. 40, 4, 0.8 and
Yes.
8.
Yeah, sir, it's 8.
देखते हैं.
Sir, I did in I think a little easier method.
No problem. Any method. So same thing. Train time taken means distance by speed, right? Okay. Distance कितना travel करने का? कितना distance है travel? Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. So आपको पहले एक को एक कोई भी एक ट्रेन को रुको. So एक को स्टॉप करूंगा एंड एग्जैक्टली उसका स्पीड ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में रखूंगा. कितना? 10. सो कितना स्पीड में आ रहे हैं? ए को कितना स्पीड में आ रहा है दिखेगा? 10 + 2 तो 10 + 15 25, राइट? तो 25 इज अ स्पीड, राइट? तो कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करेगा? ए को स्टॉप कर दिया ना, Now train has to travel how much distance? 90 meters plus 110 meters cross करने का, right? So कितना होगा? 200. So it is 8 seconds लगेगा.
That's the
Relative.
conversion to 10 plus 15, 110 plus 90 and divide both. That's it, right?
Yes. एक को स्टॉप करो, वो ट्रेन लेंथ रहेगा ना, वो पूरा 90 मीटर्स का भी क्रॉस करने का, एंड ये पूरा 110 टोटली 200 मीटर्स क्रॉस करेगा, राइट? सो डिस्टेंस 200 बाय 225, 8 सेकंड्स. चलो ये करो. A bus is moving with speed 10 meters per second on a straight road. Okay. So बस आराम से जा रहा है with 10 meters per second. A scooterist wishes to overtake the bus in time दे दिया 100 seconds है. If the bus is at distance 1 kilometer from the scooterist, okay. So a scooter है. Okay, scooterist कितना distance में? 1 kilometer, 1000 meters दूर में. पीछे the scooterist है. He want to cross the bus in how many seconds? 100 seconds में he want to cross. So he's telling what should be the speed of the scooterist. Speed कितना रहने का? V.
I got as 20.
20 देखेंगे.
So what's 2000 by 100? Yeah, 20.
कृष्णा बोलो. टाइम इज इक्वल डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड, राइट? दैट वो तो मालूम है. रिलेटिव स्पीड यूज करने के, राइट? दोनों जा रहे हैं ना, रिलेटिव स्पीड यूज करेंगे. रिलेटिव स्पीड को किसको रुकेंगे? बस को रुको. बस को स्टॉप करो, एग्जैक्टली उसको उल्टा में लगाओ. कितना है? 10 मीटर्स पर सेकंड. तो टाइम इज इक्वल डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड, राइट? डिस्टेंस इज हाउ मच? 1000 बाय स्पीड इज हाउ मच? इसका v minus 10, and this t is how much? 100 seconds. So 0 to zeros cancel. So v minus 10 is equal to 10. V is equal to 20 meters per second. मतलब अगर the scooter person has to go with 20 meters per second से गया तो he will cross in 100 seconds में the bus को overtake करेगा.
Try it a different way.
Yeah, what tell me?
Sir, first I found the calculated, like I did 10 into 100 as 1000 to find the bus. So it's
Okay.
1000 meters from the this thing, right? Like 1000 meters is how much the bus is traveling. So 1 kilometer away from the scooter as well as 1000 meters traveling. So total distance becomes 2000 meters. And I did
Okay.
2000 by 100.
ओके, बट जनरली क्या है, आपको रिलेटिव मोशन यूज करके करो ऑलवेज. थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेट क्वेश्चंस दे गिव इन दैट में, इट विल नॉट बी डिफिकल्ट. तो मेरा सो रिलेटिव मोशन का कॉन्सेप्ट का ऐसा जाएगा, राइट? ठीक है, वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई विल आस्क, ट्राई टू डू. टेल मी वन स्मॉल क्वेश्चंस. सपोज यू हैव ए एक पुलिस है, is moving with 20 meters per second, and thief is there, is moving with 10 meters per second. Okay, question is what time के बाद the police catches thief? Find करो. What time के बाद police catches thief? After what time police catches thief? both are moving with constant speed. There's no acceleration with that.
So there's no distance given.
Okay, initial distance is 100 meters. So
So 10 seconds.
कितना?
10 seconds.
हाँ 10 seconds. Good. कैसे किया?
So I found VPT and then velocity of police with respect to time.
thief के respect में if you can find you will get the answer. Try. देखो
So
velocity of
decimals.
हाँ
Will you get the answer in decimals?
नहीं देखो velocity of police with respect to thief के respect में we are calculating velocities always. Okay, so tell me what is the formula? Velocity of police minus velocity of thief, right?
VTG minus VTG.
So 20 minus 10 is 10 meters per second. And
For that,
displacement of
100 by
police
10.
with respect to thief is 100 meters.
Okay, 100 by 10.
Speed equal distance by time. Time equal distance by speed. So 100 by 10. So it is 10 seconds. Khatam. So relative motion use करके you can solve the questions like this. Okay. Now करो one more question. Suppose एक बिल्डिंग है, बिल्डिंग में से एक पार्टिकल को I just dropped. Okay, I just dropped one stone को, A stone को मान लो, and B stone को I am throwing with 3 meters per second. एक को ड्रॉप किया मतलब इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज 0. नो क्वेश्चन लिखो. फाइंड द सेपरेशन बिटवीन A and B after 3 seconds. Find the separation between A and B after 3 seconds. 3 seconds के बाद कितना डिस्टेंस में रहेगा दोनों?
So can I like repeat the whole question?
See, one
Not
building is there. Building में से A stone I just dropped. B stone I am throwing with 3 meters per second. Okay. Find the separation between A and B after 3 seconds.
So
3
it's
seconds
A
के
with respect to B or B with respect to A?
who is going faster way में आगे generally 3, right?
B.
So B A with respect to B करो. Velocity
Okay.
of A with respect to B. Find करो.
So 9.
Very good. 9. देखो इधर acceleration is how much? Tell me. Acceleration of A with respect to B is how much? This is A equal to minus G. This is also A equal to minus G. Right? Downwards is acceleration G. Downward upper is 0, right? So क्या होगा now? Acceleration of A minus acceleration of B. So minus G minus of minus G plus G. So 0 आएगा. Acceleration 0. Now tell me velocity of A with respect to B is how much? Velocity of A minus velocity of B. How much? Downwards negative ले लो. So velocity of A is 0 minus
0 minus 3.
minus 3. So it is 3 meters per second. Now
No, 3
since
meters per
acceleration is 0, now separation means the S find करेंगे. S equal UT plus half AT square. A is 0. So कितना होगा? U into T. कितना होगा? 3 into after 3 seconds, right? 3. So displacement is 9 meters. So 9 meters will be the separation with respect to, that's why A with respect to B. Directly we are finding displacement of A with respect to B. Directly will get separation. Okay, नहीं तो क्या करें नॉर्मल मेथड में क्या करेगा? If you don't know relative velocity, they will try to do A का कितना डिस्टेंस है and 3 seconds में, B का कितना डिस्टेंस है 3 seconds में, then subtract. ऐसा से अच्छा relative motion डायरेक्ट आ जाएगा. Okay, so by this your complete chapter successfully done. Okay.